Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to Crypto India. This is your host Shiv again, and welcome back. So, in this video today, we'll be talking about the cryptocurrency news, and we will also be talking about the regulations which will be coming out from US. The US wants to regulate all the cryptocurrencies businesses there in US, and they want all the exchanges to have a status of bank. Now, that's very interesting for cryptocurrency for sure. So before that, I really loved the. So there was one comment by Neeraj who commented about Robinhood ICO, which is going on right now. I really like that, Neeraj. I actually went through it, and it's a very promising ICO. That's what it looks like to me. It's a decentralized exchange, and of course, I will leave that in the comment below, and probably in some of my videos, I would like to review that as well. But I like that ICO for sure, and I want to thank you Neeraj for updating. And the another link by Jungle Ape. So the conversation between this Peter Schiff and Max Kaiser. Max Kaiser is somebody who his belief in Bitcoin is so strong that it keeps jumping here and there and literally starts shouting to prove his point, which is crazy. So thank you so much, you guys, for commenting. And yes, there are a few respect requests for me to speak in Hindi, which is going to be difficult for me because there are two reasons. It's not that I can't speak Hindi. The thing is that the larger audience actually prefers English here. And yes, but I will be doing some live sessions wherein you can definitely ask your questions in Hindi. I hope that will be helpful. So thank you so much for being connected with me, and hope you understand. Having said that, let's get into today's news. So we have a very good news coming out right now. Bitcoin beating the price again. 4,600 is the price of a Bitcoin today. And if you look at the Indian exchanges, Zeppay is selling at about. I'm going with you. In fact, I didn't check. I just checked the dollar price, which was 4,600. Looking at the Bitcoin price, it just crossed 3 lakh rupees in India. So once again, okay, that's a good news, especially before the fork. And Ethereum is about 306 US dollar. You have Ripple at 27 cents. You have Bitcoin Cash at 333. You have Litecoin at $52. You have Neo dropped down to $31. So probably a good buy. Goodbye as in goodbye. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look at this news from US. So it says that the US wants Bitcoin operators to apply for a bank status. Now, and this news is coming out after Japan has licensed 11 cryptocurrencies exchanges there in Japan. So these exchanges now have a proper license to operate Bitcoin, and they want something like similar in US. If you know, in New York, the exchanges and cryptocurrencies are regulated, and they have released something called Bit license. This is for the New York, by the way. So several US states have already authorized the operations of digital currency operators. Among them is New York, which has introduced its state-specific licensing initiative for Bitcoin called Bit License. However, several startup companies, exchanges, businesses, and trading platforms in the sector have voiced out that their concerns over regulations like Bit License due to high cost and impracticality in terms of compliance. So it seems that a lot of exchanges and cryptocurrency operators are not happy with the kind of regulations the Bit license is bringing in terms of cost. So if it is difficult for an if the operational cost of an exchange increases, they won't be able to make enough profit, and that is what they are not happy with the Bit license there in New York. But overall, if the US government's wanting the businesses of crypto businesses, the Bitcoin business to come out for a regulation, I think overall it's a good news, because what China did is China actually started banning the ICOs and cryptocurrency exchanges, wherein what US wants to do is put regulations onto this, so they have no issues with the operations as long as you are regulated, right? Whether you are an exchange, whether you are a wallet company, or whether you are an ICO. Anyway, they are having an ICO, they are having a regulation, they are having a meeting on how to regulate ICOs on 18th of this October. And the reason this news is important because if US does something, US is one of the biggest economy right now, and if US brings some kind of regulations on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, I think the most of the countries are just going to follow it. So that's the news coming out right now, and you have another article today in Economic Times again about Bitcoin, and so what is interesting is nowadays you have these Economic Times and NDTV and other news media talking more on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So this article on Economic Times that says that this year has proved to be a landmark for Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrencies. The value of one Bitcoin has increased from $968, which was which was 68,000 to 2,95,000 in this year. So this is actually did yesterday, but this is definitely being spoken all over the news media. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the box below, and would be more than glad to help you. If you have any, if you're just getting started, if you have some questions on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, do let me know. And if you have a specific topic that you would like me to do a video on, please mention that in the comment box. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day ahead and take care.